Okay, folks, good morning and welcome to Swing Trading Today. This is Bob Desmond, and it is, what's today? The 27th of April. All right, so we had Tesla come out last night. We're going to go over that chart. A really surprisingly quiet price action after the bell on Tesla. I mean, the market makers had priced in a 44-point move thereabouts, yet it was almost unchanged. It was really, really small price action. Pretty much overall good earnings for them. And this morning, Eli Lilly, reported earnings. They are down. We're going to go check out that chart, see if they bounce back. But at last look, they were down around 10 points. So before the bell today, we have UPS as well, GE, Crocs, Raytheon, British Petroleum, Corning. I don't know what this one says here. The Haynes? I don't know. Waste Management. But the real fireworks, let's face it. Did I say 3M? 3M as well. The real fireworks begin after the bell today. AMD, Microsoft. I have a position in Microsoft. Pinterest, Alphabet, Visa, Enphase, Starbucks, Teradyne, FireEye, Texas Instruments. So today is really, really the Pimp Mac Daddy kickoff. We need to include yesterday's price action of Tesla as well in this 25-hour period of action. So let's take a look at the price action of, first up, I believe I have Lilly. Yeah, they're down. They're off the lows. They're down about $8.56 from the pre-market high. Taking a look at Tesla. Tesla closed at 738.20. Last tick was 722.44. So gnarly a budge, a smidge of a move here on Tesla. Now taking a look at the pre-market activity. NASDAQ up 19 points. The Russell 2000, very close to a breakout here on the Russell. So I do have a short position. That short position is going to need to be managed. Either we take off some, take off all, hedge, mixture of both, not sure. But if we break out, we need to take action. Taking a look at, this is all messed up this morning. The Dow. The Dow is up this morning. In essence, flat. Russell 2000, S&P 500 up spot 1.3%. And again, in essence, flat. Now, taking a look at Microsoft, because we have a position here, so there's a special interest. Microsoft is up this morning slightly. Now, the market makers are pricing in at current a $6 move. I mean, I've seen this change from around $7.75 to is now a low of $6 over the past few hours. But at current, a little over a $6 move is the anticipated move by the market makers, as noted here in yellow. Back to the charts. Taking a look at the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar had a bit of a overnight rally. Is that rally failing at current? It looks like it may be. This bar opened up at 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we close back down below this line in red, that would be a significant breakout point failure or a bull trap. So we'll be watching this very closely. This bar closes at 9 o'clock. This is a 4-hour bar. So what are commodities doing in the face of a technically up dollar, but a dollar that is on the verge of failing a breakout? Let's begin with gold. Gold is now up. It was lower shortly ago. It's hugging this upper band of resistance in red. Let's change that now green. Taking a look at yields, or bond notes, I should say. Bond notes, not yields. So this is where we may see some problems for equities, and this is why I'm in no rush to go bailing on shorts right now, especially shorts that are susceptible to rising yields. We did see a 10-year yield that moved up higher yesterday. No great influence on the market, but I want you to take note of this 4-hour uptrend channel. Let's extrapolate this back in time. Okay. A rising ascending wedge formation. What did we do? We broke support here on the 25th. Now the question is, do we resume the uptrend with this lower band in red acting as the rising upper band of resistance? Was support, will now act as resistance, or is a sign that bonds are weakening? They're getting ready to roll over and yields poised to rise as they did yesterday. What suffers if yields begin to move up higher? Semis, technology across the board, triple Qs. What does well? Banks, energy. I don't know about the transports right now. They flashed a bearish reversal bar yesterday on a daily chart. So they're a bit suspect. Materials should do well as well. Let's check back in with Lily really quick. Yeah, very weak here. Now, I spoke over the weekend, or at least on Sunday night. I did a video on my opinion of coffee, and that in all probability, we are going up higher. I published it on Sunday morning. I reiterated it, I believe, on Sunday night. It's all posted on YouTube. And yesterday, Joe, which is the ETN, just blew out of the gates, broke out. So we are now out of a bear market into a bull market. Any pullback, we'll probably be looking to buy Joe. Alerts will be going out to members. If you're not currently a member, sign up 14-day free trial offer. Get TrendSpider free. Silver and gold level memberships. What else do we have here? Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 54,915. The coin, up 1.5%. Nice little rebound here. Let's take a look at light sweet crude. Where's light? There we go. Light sweet crude up about a little over a half percentage point. We do have energy stocks coming out this week. BP, I believe, today. Exxon on Friday. Copper, incredible. Absolutely incredible. Just grinding up higher here. But let's not lose sight of what our fearless Fed chair says. There's no inflation. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Stop it. RSI is above 85 4-hour time frame. We're getting extended here. It looks like we want to go higher, though, I'll tell you that. But we're going to pause shortly on copper. If you're looking to buy copper, there is an ETF or ETN for that. I always get those two confused. Silver, up this morning, nearly a half percentage point. We are positioned long of silver. We want to add more. Can't do it right now. We need a breakout. Vix Futures. Vix are looking pretty good, to be honest with you. The Vix on a daily chart yesterday closed up. The issue with that is that the S&P 500 closed up as well. They're generally inversely correlated. So while you did not see institutional distribution yesterday on the S&Ps, you certainly saw traders buying insurance against a downside move. So keep an eye on the VIX. This gap up higher, no fill yet, but we're holding support. This is the May contract for the VIX. So let's memorialize this trading range here. Okay, and there we have it. What else do we have? Let's take a look at more ag. Come on, mouse. Okay, oh my God. Soybeans just on fire. Soybeans are up 2 1/3% today, folks. This is a parabolic move up higher. But there's no inflation. No. Don't worry about this. This is not for real. Listen to good old Jay Powell. Corn prices ripping, coming off the highs of the session. RSI is about 90 on a 4-hour time frame. This needs to pause soon. Let's take a look at a daily chart. This may be good to sell calls against, not buy calls, but sell calls, anticipating a pullback here. RSI is at 85. We can go higher. We've been as high as 90 on a daily time frame. So I'm reluctant to do that speculative trade right now. Back to the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at, did I go over wheat? I don't think I did. Wheat, oh my God. This is crazy. Wheat is up over 3 3/4% on a 4-hour time frame. Talk about blowing out of resistance levels. I mean, man, this is crazy. We broke out this 4-hour bar, the 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time bar. Continuation gap up higher, the 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time bar. And you're seeing this across the board, folks. This is a weekly chart. Incredible, an incredible move up higher. These agriculture names are simply in fuego. Take a look at Joe. We spoke about this over the weekend. Again, I mentioned it earlier. Sorry to repeat myself, but this is an early stage breakout. Massive move. This is so significant. Because we've stopped. We've stopped with lower highs and lower lows. Now we have higher lows and higher highs. New bull market, coffee. I called it today. Actually, over the weekend. Natural gas, grinding higher here. This is a weekly chart. We spoke about this on Sunday Night Futures Live. W formation weekly time frame. Don't get too close to the fire, meaning don't go looking at 5-minute charts, hourly charts. You're too close to the fire. You want to take a step back. Eliminate the noise. Take a look at the weekly chart. Ah, nice, smooth. Now I know where we're going. We're going up on natural gas. Remember, Thursday, you have inventory reports that come out for nat gas every week, Thursday mornings. Hey, JW. How you doing, man? JW does have options. Excuse me, JO does have options. Yes, it is optionable. In fact, I don't think that they have earnings, so there's not going to be a market maker move here. We'll see. They do. Oh, no. Wrong symbol. Duh. Yeah, there's no market maker move here. Depending upon your contract, if you're looking at the May 21 contract, there's an anticipated, look over here on your right, an anticipated 3.346% point move, $3.346 move anticipated. So if you have TOS, Thinkorswim, go over to the trade tab, all products, type in your symbol, and you get your anticipated move for each time frame. All right, with that, folks, everybody have a really, really profitable trading day, and I will talk to you soon. Be well.